Okay, we're here showing an opportunity of fastening Lumbercon to an existing frame. So what I've done here, I've shown that really you do not want to drill or pilot your hole any closer than 1.5 inches from the end and 1.5 inches from this way. We have been able to do it sometimes about 1 inch, but I don't recommend it. So what I'm showing here is that you can put up to 3 screws across the face of this. But the reality is you really only need 1. If you want extra holding power, you can put 2. So what we've done is we've used an impact gun, impact drill that is with a hammer setting on it. You can do this to pilot the hole and use the first one, but you should never use an SDS drill with a small hole to drive it through, because what it will do, it will blow the back end of the board out. I've done one to show you, just to say that's what will happen. So you do not want to use an SDS hammer drill to pilot your hole. You can use it if you want to countersink it by using an SDS drill. After you use the small hole, you can drill a wider hole, or you can use a countersink masonry bit to set the screw in with the surface. I've countersunk these in our board for a reason, that you can basically plug it. You can use thin set to go over it, plug them closed, and call it a day. That's a tip on the install for Lumbercon. Hi again, this is a small addition put onto the tail end of the other video. One thing I forgot to mention is that whatever you're doing when you're drilling this, that you need to make sure that you're offset to the wire that runs the center. Obviously, if not, you'll hit that wire and the screw will bounce off and the board will split. So just keep yourself at least 1/4 inch on the outside of the wire. I've done that on both pieces here. This sample here we used, we just countersunk it to the top of the screw head, as opposed to the other one that was 3 heads. So this one here is like that.